Hi guys and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at how to translate a page here in Firefox. Now if you're new here or if you found the video helpful, please give us a like and a comment down below as it really helps the channel out with the algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is we're just going to look up something I know very well will pop up straight away. So let's type in Danske Bank in Berlin. And as you can see here, this is not a very English looking title that we have. Now I can straight away click translate this page, which will open it up for me, but I'm also just going to click on the link itself. And once I'm in here, you'll see it is definitely not in English. But once this load up, go to the very top where where the web address is, and you see this little option where it has two letters in different languages. Click this button, and then from here, it will look for the language itself, and then just click translate to the language you'd like it to be done to. Click translate, give it a second. And as you can see, it is slowly updating the page so that I can read it. It really is as simple as that. Hope that was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.